Good morning everyone. I'm Rekha Singh from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Students, today I'm going to explain the topic separation of different kind of mixtures. There are different kind of methods by which we can separate the mixture, like separating funnel, sublimation, chromatography, distillation and fractional distillation. So here these are the methods by which we can separate the different kind of mixture. First one is separating funnel. So by the help of separating funnel, we can separate two immiscible liquids. What is immiscible liquids? Liquids which are not going to mix with each other, they are called immiscible liquid. We can see that oil and water are not going to mix with each other. So they can be separated by the help of separating funnel. Separating funnel method is based on the density of the liquids. You can see the diagram of the separating funnel here. This is the diagram of separating funnel by which we can separate the oil and water. We can see here when we pour kerosene oil and water, they will form the different layer. Kerosene oil is present at the top of the separating funnel and water is present at the lower level in the separating funnel. When we remove this top cap, we can separate the oil and water. Now, second method is sublimation. What is sublimation? In chapter first, we know that sublimation is the method by which solid directly converted into the gaseous state by heating, or it can be separated on its own also. So sublimable substance can be separated from non-sublimable substance by the help of the process of sublimation, like naphthalene ball, camphor, ammonium chloride. These are the example of sublime substance. So ammonium chloride, formula of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl, and salt can be separated by the method of sublimation. Next method is chromatography. What is chromatography? This method is used to separate different colors from dye. Do you know dye is not a single color? It is made from mixing two and more than two different colors. So chromatography is the method by which we can separate the different colors from the dye, and this method in this method chromatography paper is used. Next method is distillation and fractional distillation. These two methods are used to separate miscible liquids. What is miscible liquids? Liquids which are going to mix with each other, they are called miscible liquids. Like acetone and water, they are going to mix with each other. So this can be separated with the help of the method of distillation. Distillation method is based on the boiling points of the liquid. If the differences in the boiling point of the two liquid is more than 25 degrees Celsius, distillation method is used. And fractional distillation, if the differences in boiling point is less than 25 degrees Celsius, fractional distillation method will be used. So I just explain about the different methods of separation of the mixture. Thank you and have a nice day.